Hello everyone! Today we are going to play and discover the different sounds that animals make. We will do it through the history Ronald the Rhino. Do you remember which animals appear in the story? Ronald the Rhino, the leopard, the python, and also the tiger, the elephant, and the bird. Now we are going to listen to what sound each animal makes, and then we will play to discover what animal it is. Are you ready now to discover what animal it is? Yes, it's the elephant. Wow, amazing! It's the tiger. You are right. It's the python snake. Bzzz. Whoa, it's the leopard. Wow, perfect. It's the bird. Amazing! It's Ronald the Rhino. Congratulations! You got it all right. Keep it up. And thank you so much. See you soon. And remember, if you like this video, share, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.